Welcome back. We've got a fun event we're going to learn more about here in just a few minutes, and I've got Bob McAllister joining us to tell us all about Bob's cycle and car show, rock and roll cycle and car show. Yes. So you're combining rock and roll music, the love of cars, motorcycles, everything all into one big event.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is going to be held at the Crawford County Historical Museum site, and it'll be a place to show off hot rods and bikes and everything.
Yeah.
Tell me what kind of vehicles you're looking for to sign up.
Oh, they can be like old cars. Like I got a 66 Chevy too that I'm gonna bring mine. And there'll be older cars, a lot of older cars. I'm hoping they come from, well, I've been talking to ones out of Oklahoma, Kansas City, and I'm hoping to get a bunch of them to come down, but this hot weather, I hope that ain't gonna hurt them coming down.
Oh, I'm sure. It's cooler than it has been some weekends, so
Yeah.
hot, but still cruising weather.
Yeah.
There you go. So what is the let's talk about, like, if you have a bike or you have a car, what the registration fee would be, what you need to do if you have one. You don't have to sign up in advance, you just show up.
Yeah, all you gotta show up bikes. Like cars is only $15 and bikes is only $10.
Okay. And the event starts at 9 o'clock. Do they
Yeah.
need to be there earlier than that, or?
Well, yeah, if they wanna get a good shady spot. This place out there, it's got a lot of shade where you can, pick your spot, and that's what a lot of them does. They come early so they can get a good spot,
That's smart.
Yeah.
And also, while you're there hanging out, you're going to have live music throughout the day.
Yeah.
Talk about the bands you have playing.
Well, it's, I haven't heard them yet. Call them Sunset Circle.
Sunset Circle.
And they're going to play from 10 to 12, and then I got this other one called OBH, and they're going to play from 1 to 3.
From 1 to 3. Okay, so you can check out some live music, check out some awesome cars and bikes. And there's prizes for the car show and the bike show.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about what you have involved in that.
Well, I'm gonna have trophies, like for the best show and stuff, and different prizes, different trophies I'm gonna be giving out, and then I got a lot of door prizes, like for the bikes and the cars, and I think they'll like it when they come down.
You're telling me a lot of the door prizes, like, are actual car parts that you could use on the...
No, it's just different stuff that they like. And like bikes, I got a lot of good stuff for the bikes too.
Okay, like accessories, is that what you're saying? Or?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so, and you're still looking, you have some vendors, but if somebody wanted to come and be a vendor, what do they need to do?
All they got to do is just come on out, and I'll be there, and I'll find them a good place and try to get them out of the sun.
Yeah, and again, get there early if you want to find the good shade.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me where, for those of us that may not know where the Crawford County Historical Museum is, how to get to it. Okay,
it's on 651 South Highway, 69 Pittsburgh. Okay, it's located at the Crawford County Historic Museum.
And that's, of course, on the bypass on
Highway
69.
Yeah, it's on 69 Highway.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anything else of course, if you have any questions, there's the phone number for Bob on the screen there, 620-231-0046. Yep. Anything else that we missed out on?
No, that's good. That's nice.
All right, well, it sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun.
Okay.
Hopefully you'll get lots of folks out there to come check out the cars. And if you have a car and you've been wanting to show it off or looking for a car show, this could be the perfect one.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Bob.
Okay, thank you.
We'll be right back.